I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Holiday season is here, and while you're preparing your meal, sometimes you want to put out something for your guests to snack on. I ran across the perfect snack. It combines some of my favorite things, and it's that perfect mix of sweet and salty. Today we're going to make butter toffee pretzels. Let's get started. We're going to get our oven preheated to 200 degrees. Next, we're going to line a large cookie sheet with some parchment paper. We'll set that aside for now. For this next step, we're going to need a big old bowl. I'm going to fill that bowl with a 15-ounce bag of mini pretzels. Once again, we'll set that aside. In a medium-sized saucepan, I'll add 1 cup brown sugar. I've cubed up 1 stick or 1/2 cup salted butter. And next we'll add 1/4 cup light table syrup. I've placed this on some medium heat, and now I'll start to blend these ingredients. I'll stir this from time to time, and I'll keep working it until the entire mixture reaches a boil. Once this mixture starts to boil, we're going to let that go for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Don't walk away from the boiling mixture because it can scorch and burn. Once this mixture has boiled for 5 minutes, you're going to see that it's become very thick. At that point, we want to completely remove this from the heat. If you're enjoying today's video, let YouTube know. Now's the perfect time to go tap the like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. At that point, I'll whisk in 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Before this has a chance to harden, we'll bring in our pretzels and pour this mixture all over them. I'm going to use a wooden paddle to start working this and coat all of the pretzels with the mixture before it hardens. Once you've got all the pretzels coated, we're going to add 1/2 bag of Heath toffee chips. You'll save the rest of that bag for later. If this mixture gets too difficult to work, you can always pop your bowl into the microwave for about 20 seconds, just long enough to get that toffee loosened up. Once we have this mixed up, we're going to place these pretzels on our baking sheet. We're going to distribute these pretzels as evenly as possible. Next, we'll place our baking sheet in our oven. We're going to let this go for 1 hour, but we're going to stir every 15 minutes. Each time you take this out of the oven to mix, it becomes a little bit easier to work with. By tossing these pretzels every 15 minutes during bake time, you're able to go in and target any areas that might be clumped together. Once these come out of the oven at the 1 hour mark, we give them one more little stir. And then we're going to add the rest of that half bag of Heath toffee chips. This time I'm going to be very careful about making sure I get these evenly distributed. Now I'm going to walk away and let all of this cool down to room temperature. You're going to want to give these about an hour to cool down once they come out of the oven. Otherwise, they're still going to be a little bit tacky. There's really no limit to what you can do with these pretzels. They make a great little party snack, or you can put them in individual baggies. You can even package them up really pretty and give them as gifts. Either way, I know you're going to enjoy these toffee pretzels. I truly hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Great Thanksgiving. I'm going to be back again with you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.